Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Adobe After Effects render settings for YouTube upload quality, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe After Effects. Load your project by selecting it from the File menu. Navigate to the Composition panel. Select the composition you wish to render. Go to the top menu and click on Composition. Select Add to Render Queue. In the Render Queue panel, locate in the Output Module Settings window, choose Format. Select H.264 for optimal YouTube upload quality. Next, click on Format Options. In the H.264 settings, choose the appropriate profile. For YouTube, main or high is recommended. Set the level to high for better quality. In the same window, adjust the bitrate settings. Select a bitrate encoding method that suits your project. For standard definition, a bitrate of around 4 megabits per second is adequate. For Full HD, aim for 8 to 12 megabits per second. For 4K, consider a bitrate of 35 to 45 megabits per second. Once you've set the bitrate, click OK. Next, adjust the output to settings in the render queue. Click on the blue text next to Output to choose where to save your file. Choose a destination folder and name your video file. Click Save to confirm your settings. Finally, click the Render button in the render queue. Wait for the rendering process to complete. Once rendered, navigate to your saved file. Your video is now ready for upload to YouTube with the best quality settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.